Good afternoon, friends. My name is Pragnesh Thakkar. At present, I am working as an assistant professor of mathematics in Mathematics and Humanities Department at LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. As you know that last time we had discussed based on the topic logarithm. In that topic, we had discussed about history, introduction and properties of logarithm and some example based on logarithm. Today in first session, we will discuss example based on properties of some important example based on properties of logarithm, and then we will start new chapter trigonometry. So let's start with some important example based on logarithm. First example, we want to prove log base 10 of 100 equal to 2 plus 3 log base 10 of 2. Let us see on the table. Question is log base 10 of 800 equal to 2 plus 3 log base 10 of 2. LHS is given log base 10 of 800. This we can write it as log base 10. 800 can be written as 100 into 8. So log a into b, that can be using the property of logarithm, one can write log a plus log b, that is log base 10 into 100 plus log base 10 of 8. Log base 10, 100 can be written as 10 square plus log base 10, 8 can be written as 2 cube. Now we will apply power property of logarithm, so power will come forward. 2 log base 10 of 10 plus 3 log base 10 of 2. As we know that log base a of a is 1, so this is 2 and 3 log base 10 of 2. So this is our answer. The same example we will discuss on presentation. It is given that log base 10 of 100 equal to, we can write log base 10 of 100 into 8, that can be written as log base 10 100 plus log base 10 8. Using the property of logarithm, log a into b is log a plus log b, that can be written as log base 10 of 10 square plus log base 10 of 2 cube. Next we will apply power property of logarithm, so that one can write 2 log base 10 of 10 plus 3 log base 10 of 2. As we know that log base a of a is 1, so this will be 2 plus 3 log base 10 of 2. Let us see next example. Here we want to prove log 75 over 16 minus 2 log 5 over 9 plus log 32 over 243 equal to log 2. We will discuss this example on table. Question is log 75 over 16 minus 2 log 5 over 9 plus log 32 over 243 equal to log 2. Now LHS log 75 over 16. In second term we will apply power property of logarithm, so we can write log 5 by 9 square plus log 32 by 243. As we know that log a minus log b, that is log a by b, subtraction goes to division, that is log 75 over 16 divided by 25 by 81 plus log 32 over 243. Division we can replace by multiplication, at that time term will be interchanged. 81 by 25 plus log 32 by 243. log a plus log b. Here if we consider this term as a and 32 by 243 as b, that is log a plus log b, using the property of logarithm, that can be written as log a into log b. So log 75 by 16 into 81 by 25 into 32 by 243. We can simplify 25 3s are 75, 16 2s are 32, 81 3s are 243. 3 cancel. So answer we are getting log 2. That is our RHS. The same example we will discuss on presentation. Solution. LHS is given. Using power property of logarithm, this can be written as log 75 over 16 minus log 5 by 9 square plus log 32 over 243. That we can, using properties of logarithm, one can write subtraction goes to division and addition goes to multiplication. And when we simplify, we will get answer log 2. Third example, we want to prove that two result. First result is log base root q of p square into log base root r of q square into log base root p of r square equal to 64. Let us see on the table. Question is log root q of p square into log root r of q square into log root p of r square equal to 64. LHS. To prove this example, we will apply change of base property. So using change of base property, we can write log p square over log root q. Here base we will consider as e, that is natural logarithm, into log q square over log root r into log r square over log root p. Now apply power property of logarithm. So according to the property, one can write 2 log p over log q raised to 1 by 2 into log 2 log q over log r raised to 1 by 2 into 2 log r over log p raised to 1 by 2. So 2 log p, in denominator apply power property, so one can write 1 by 2 log q into 2 log q over 1 by 2 log r into 2 log r over 1 by 2 log p. If you observe, log p will be cancelled out, log q will be cancelled out, and log r will be cancelled out. We will get 2 over 1 by 2 into 2 over 1 by 2 into 2 over 1 by 2, that is 4 into 4 into 4. So answer is 64. That is our RHS. We will discuss the same example on presentation. LHS is given log base root q of p square into log base root r of q square into log root p of r square. Apply change of base property, so we can write this term. Then log p square is 2 log p, similarly log q square is 2 log q, log r square is 2 log r over 1 by 2 log q, 1 by 2 log r and 1 by 2 log p. Log p, log q and log r will be cancelled out, and so we will get answer 64. Right, next we will see next example on table. Question is log base a of y plus log base a square of y square plus log base a cube of y cube plus log base a raised to 4 y raised to 4 equal to, we want to prove 4 log base a of y. Left hand side, here we will apply most important property of logarithm, that is change of base. According to that, one can write log base a of y can be written as log y by log a. Here I have not written base, that you can understood that base is e, means natural logarithm. Second term can be written as log y square over log a square using change of base property. Third term log y cube over log a cube plus log y raised to 4 over log a raised to 4. Now we will apply power property of logarithm. First term remains as it is, log y by log a. Then using power property, power will come forward, 2 log y by 2 log a plus 3 log y by 3 log a plus 4 log y by 4 log a. 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 4 will be cancelled out. Log y by log a, again we will apply change of base property. So we can write log base a of y, second term is log base a of y plus log base a of y plus log base a of y. We are getting 4 times, so answer is 4 log base a of y. That is our answer. The same example we will discuss on presentation. Left hand side is given. Here we have applied change of base property. According to that property, one can write log y over log a plus log y square over log a square plus log y cube over log a cube plus log y raised to 4 over log a raised to 4. Then using power property of logarithm, one can write this term. So 2, 3 and 4 will be cancelled out, and then we have applied change of base property. So we are getting 4 log base a of y. That is our answer. Let us see next example. We want to prove that log base a of 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to log base a of 1 plus log base a of 2 plus log base a of 3. Let us see this example on table. Question is log base a of 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to, we want to prove that log base a of 1 plus log base a of 2 plus log base a of 3. As we know that log a plus log b is not equal to log a plus log b, but here we want to prove that log a of 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to log 1 plus log 2 plus 2 plus log 3. This is true for in particular case. See, let us see how. LHS is log base a of 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is log base a of 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 1 into 2 into 3 is also equal to 6. So 6 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3, and using one of the most important property of logarithm, log a into log b, that can be written as log a plus log b. Using that property, one can write log base a of 1 plus log base a of 2 plus log base a of 3. That is our answer. The same example we will discuss on presentation. LHS is log base a of 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that is log 6, and 6 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3. So using important property of logarithm, one can write log 1 log base a of 1 plus log base a of 2 plus log base a of 3. That is our answer. Next example, we want to show that actually this is the question, log root x square plus 1 plus x plus log root x square plus 1 minus x. We want to show that the value is 0. Let us discuss the example on table. The question is log root x square plus 1 plus x plus log root x square plus 1 minus x equal to 0. We want to prove this example. We know that log a plus log b, that is log a into log b, log a into b, addition goes to multiplication. So we can write log root x square plus 1 plus x into root x square plus 1 minus x. Addition goes to multiplication, log a into log b. If you see that, if we consider this term as a and this term as b, so a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So we can write that is x square plus 1 minus x square. X square will be cancelled out and we will get log 1. Base is not written, that is e, and as we know that log 1 to the any base, answer is 0. That is our right hand side. The same example we will discuss on presentation. Question is log root x square plus 1 plus x plus log root x square plus 1 minus x using a multiplication property of logarithm that goes to addition. So according to that property we have written first step, that is plus b a minus b, that is a square minus b square, x square term, that term will be cancelled out and we will get log 1. Answer is 0. Let us see next example. Here we want to prove this equation, we want to solve this example. Question is if log x minus